Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Rides. Today we are on our way to the mountains to go ride one of our favorite single overnighters we like to call Big Elbow Backcountry. This ride is super fun and actually quite an easy overnighter, and would also suggest that it's wonderful opportunity for people who want to get into bikepacking and even adventurous cycling families who want to do some bike overnighting together. But first we have to boogie out of Calgary here out towards Bragg Creek. We're going to go through Bragg Creek and work our way down to the end of Highway 66, where we'll park at the trailhead for the Big Elbow and Little Elbow rivers, which is our starting point. One of the features of this route that makes it so accessible and worth trying if you're new to bikepacking is the route itself is not very long. It's maybe just under 10 kilometers one way to the campsite, and there aren't really any steeper climbs. There's a couple of ups for sure, but there's nothing crazy, and there's no technical. It's pretty much on double track trail the whole way. So almost anyone can ride this trail on any kind of bike that's built for gravel riding or for mountain biking. Rolled out here a little bit early today. It's such a nice day to be hanging out, and got the bike all ready to go. And now I'm actually just waiting for my two friends to join me on this overnighter, Tabitha and Steve. They should be here in a little while, and as soon as they get here, we're going to get organized and pedal our way up the trail. But before that happens, I'm going to sit here and look at the mountains, listen to the birds chirp, and chill out. Made it. Woohoo! That was a really nice ride. Conditions were perfect. All fed and watered after the ride in, which was lovely. We're out here at the new redesigned Big Elbow. They've done a really good job out here rebuilding the area. Got firewood over there, outhouse over there, another outhouse, more firewood. Crucially, the bear bins are here too. It's really nice. They did a good job. It's empty tonight, so we've decided to go stay in one of the equestrian sites. And so if you come out here, when you get here, there's a sort of a designated spot for equestrian, and there's a designated spot for tenting. So just be aware when you've made your reservation. Yeah, look at it, hey? It's rare that I would take a video before I've had any coffee, but it's just so nice out. They've done such a nice job at this campsite since they rebuilt it. Oh, all the features that you want in a nice backcountry experience are here. Fancy little benches, the bear lockers. It's really, really good. Beautiful night. Wasn't cold at all. Very nice. Fire up the old coffee machine. Maybe have some fancy oatmeal. Don't know if you can see this big mountain up there. Ah, yeah. All right. All packed up. Fire's out. Soak, stir, again. Beautiful morning. Bluebird, which you might be able to see. Campground's more or less empty. Though it will be very busy on the weekends if you come out here, so you do have to book ahead. And be sure when you come into the campground that you see the difference between, or I guess at least where a campsite would be, which is not in the equestrian side. We stayed in the equestrian side tonight because there's nobody there. Yeah, and the ride back out is very mellow, mostly downhill. So it is a really rewarding overnighter for experienced folks and newbies alike. So we're gonna hop out onto the Little Elbow Trail and start working our way back to the car. And we're back to the car. Mostly coasting all the way out. It was lovely, super fun. Definitely recommend this if you're gonna try bikepacking for the very first time. It's not a difficult route. You can ride almost any bike. Don't bring your fixie, but you could pretty much ride almost anything else if you can affix your camping stuff to your bike. So yeah, make sure you get out and hit it. All of the details on the route and links to campsite and all that kind of good stuff will be in the show notes below. So if you head out and do the ride, please leave a comment and let us know how it goes. And yeah, happy trails. See you next time.